How to fix the Steam Update failed disk write error when downloading or updating games. First, open Steam and go to Settings. Select Downloads, then click Clear Download Cache. Confirm it and restart Steam. Try updating the game again. If the error is still there, open your Steam Game Library folder. Go to Steam Apps, then Common. Find the game folder, right-click it, and select Properties. Make sure Read Only is unchecked. Click Apply and then OK. If that does not work, open Steam, go to Library, right-click the game, select Manage and choose Browse Local Files. Copy the entire game folder to another drive or your desktop. Now uninstall the game from Steam. After uninstalling, copy the saved game folder back into the Steam Apps Common folder. Finally, open Steam, right-click the game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check and repair the game files. After that, try updating the game again. That is it. These steps should help fix the Steam Update failed disk write error. Thanks for watching.